Hello everyone, my name is Beauty Ohaife. You're welcome to today's edition. I'm just gonna do a little bit of review of some of my microcosm collection. Please subscribe on my channel, Beauty Empire. Thank you so much and stay tuned. I don't know, this is one of my favorite microcosm collection. I've had it for years now. Um, just a little bag for just simple outing. You can style it anyhow you want. Yeah, as you can carry it like this as well. Off you go. um I like this one so much I hardly carry it. Yeah, this is another one. This is I think same design with the previous one I've got, but this is a bigger version of it. Like if I want to go to school or somewhere, it's very easy, very handy, and I can put in like a lot of things in it. Yeah, I like it so much. I can even use it for like a mini traveling bag. One of my favorite microcosm collection. This is another microcosm bag. It's purple. I hardly carry it. I think I've had it for like some years now, but I've not carried the bag up to 3 times. And they still got a microcosm stuff in it. I like it. It's good. Yeah, not so big, not so small. It's definitely one of my best handbags from microcosm. And yeah, this is another microcosm bag. I've had this for more than 5 years. I think there's a period where when it came out and everybody was just into this particular design. I don't think they have them anymore. They should be like out of stock at the moment, but like I said, I've had this for like more than 5 years and I've not carried it as well for like 3 times or so. But it's a very beautiful bag. Very, very beautiful. Nice color as well. Bags like this are so rare, like most of the colors, they are very rare to get. Very, very rare. I really do like this one. The color keeps coming out as red, but I think it's like orange, not red. Yeah, definitely one of my favorite microcosm collection. And then there's this one. I love this one so much. You can actually wear it with different color. It's got like, it's not showing properly. It's got like gold in it and nude. I like this one so much. I wear it a lot. Can make it like a cross bag. Yeah, like a mini cross bag. You can take off the chain and carry it like this as well. One of my bags. I really like this one. I don't know if the light is a bit disturbing. This is one of my other microcosm, the denim one. I think I've had this over 3 years now. It's so nice. can wear it with denim jean, denim gown. I've got a comb in it. The hairbrush. Yeah, this is one of my favorite microcurse too. Still got their stuff in it. Yeah, so this is a very nice portable denim. Yeah, like, yeah, you can actually start, like, even go out like this with this one. I could actually go out like this with this particular denim. Yeah. Yeah, I really like this one. Can make it longer, make it cross. Yeah. And this is one of the new collections that I've just got. I'm just gonna unbox it with you guys. Yeah. I really like this one. The design is not, I'm not really, but yeah. I'm sure when I've got stuffs in it, the beauty will come up. Let me put some stuffs in it and see how it comes up. Yeah. Nice. Just a mini portable. That even goes with my jean. So yeah, this is the newest collection of my Microcurse product. This is really nice. I like the stone, the gold stuff rounded. I wish it's got like a long strap that I can make like a crossbag. Oh well, we'll go with this one. Yeah. So thank you so much for watching. These are just few of my handbags, just the Microcurse ones that I've got. I'll try and see if I can do more handbags review. I like handbags so much. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe on my YouTube channel, Beauty Empire. Thanks for watching. See you some other time. Bye.